using the Full Focus Planner by Michael Hyatt Company. So in this module, I'm going to show you how to use the Full Focus Planner by Michael Hyatt Company. So they have a few different versions of this planner. I've got here the Classic in oatmeal. They also have a more compact version of this, which is a little slimmer, a little bit more like the productivity planner, that doesn't have a separate notes page and just is a little bit more concise, that I think if you have ADD, that might be a better choice for you. They also have an executive version of this, which is just a little nicer on the outside. Inside, everything's pretty much the same. So let's just do a quick walkthrough. When you get the Full Focus Planner, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to fullfocusplanner.com/start. And when you go there, they've got a whole series of videos that will walk you through each part of this planner. Now, this is a very robust planner, and it can be a little overwhelming and a little intimidating when you first see it. So what they suggest, and I agree, is the best place to start is just with the daily pages. Just setting your big three for the day, your number one priority, number two priority, number three priority, anything else that you might want to do in terms of other tasks. You've got a calendar section here where you can write in your appointments, meetings, Zoom calls, etc. And the Full Focus Planner is actually a quarterly planner. So what Michael Hyatt teaches is basically to break your annual goals into quarterly goals and then use one planner per quarter. So this lasts 90 days. So go through and do the videos, and then you've got a place at the start for your annual goals. So you can sit down and write down what your annual goals are. So here's an example from, I think this is my first planner ever, where I wrote down all the goals that I had set for last year. And of course, this was at the beginning of last year before COVID, so we had to do some adjustments to this. And then I kind of wrote them in, this will be quarter one, this will be quarter one, etc. What you'll notice though here is that a lot of my stuff was quarter one, and you can't do that. The reality is you can only focus on 2 to 3 goals per quarter. So this helps you to really think through that and try and figure out what your order and what your priorities are. What's the lead domino? What's the first thing that's most important?